Good morning, students. Now we will come to next topic, the Ahams. Ahams also was a tribal group. Ahams migrated to the Brahmaputra Valley from present-day Myanmar in the 13th century. They reached to this area, that means today's Assam area, in 13th century. They came from Myanmar. They created a new state by suppressing the older political system of buyans or landlords. There was जमींदार टाइप का लैंड एक ग्रुप था दैट्स दे वेर कॉल्ड बुयान्स दीज पीपल वेर subjugated by the Ahams and they made or they established their kingdom there. During the 16th century they annexed the kingdoms of the Chutias and Koch Hajo, okay, and subjugated many other tribes. All these tribes को हरा के ये लोग क्या है अपना kingdom बनाया where in the Brahmaputra region. The Ahams built a large state and for this they used firearms as early as the 1530s. 1530s they were one of the earliest groups to use gunpowder and firearms. Okay, by the 1660s they could even make high quality gunpowder and cannons. Okay, now the Ahams faced many invasions from the southwest. Though they were very powerful, they had to face invasions from other kingdoms from the southwest. In 1662, the Mughals under Mir Jumla attacked the Aham kingdom. So they were faced the invasion of Mughal Empire, and despite their brave defense, the Ahams were defeated. Okay, but direct Mughal control over the region could not last long. But Mughal couldn't control these Ahams kingdom that much. The Aham state depended upon forced labor. Those forced work for the state were called pikes. Okay, Aham state depended on a forced labor and those who worked, जो forced labor state के लिए करता है उनको पाइक नाम से जाना जाता था ये लोग. A census of the population, कैसे पाइक्स को चुनता है देखो. A census of the population was taken. Each village had to send a number of pikes by rotation. Every village has to send a particular number of pikes to the kingdom, okay, to the king. People from heavily populated areas were shifted to less populated region, and Aham clans were thus broken up. ऐसे डिवाइड करने से आहम क्लान क्या है थोड़ा कमजोर होने लगा. By the first half of the 17th century, the administration became quite centralized. पर 17th century पहुंचते a centralized administration हो गया. Almost all adult males served in the army during war. Okay, army में सेवा करना पड़ता है and at other times they were engaged in building dams, irrigation systems and other public works. War time में लड़ाई में जाओ और जब वार टाइम नहीं है तो दूसरा पब्लिक वर्क करना पड़ता है. The Ahams also introduced new methods of rice cultivation. उस एरिया आपको पता है राइस कल्टीवेशन को जाना जाता है, वहाँ ये लोग नए तरीके से चावल खेती करना शुरू किया. Then Aham society was divided into clans or khels. खेल नाम से डिफरेंट ग्रुप में आहम सोसाइटी डिवाइड किया गया था. देयर वर वेरी फ्यू कास्ट ऑफ आर्टिसंस. आर्टिसंस इन लोगों के बीच में बहुत कम थे. सो आर्टिसंस इन द आहम एरियाज केम फ्रॉम द adjoining kingdoms. Okay, a खेल often controlled several villages. एक खेल में बहुत सारे villages होते थे और the peasant was given land by his village community. किसान को जमीन लैंड उस कम्युनिटी सोसाइटी देता है, वो रोटेशन में दिया जाता है. इवन किंग कुड नॉट टेक अवे द लैंड दैट वाज गिवन बाय द कम्युनिटी. Okay. Originally, the Ahams worshipped their own tribal gods. Ahams were, these were tribal group and they didn't worship Hindu gods or Hindu faith, but during the first half of the 17th century, however, the influence of Brahmanas increased. Temples and Brahmanas were granted land by the king. But जब 17th सेंचुरी में जाके क्या है, ये ब्राह्मण्स अपना इन्फ्लुएंस उधर किया और ब्राह्मण्स और टेम्पल के लिए ग्रांट देने लगा. ओके, इन द रेन ऑफ शिव सिंह, that was in 1714 to 1744, Hinduism became the predominant religion. Now, Shiv Singh ke samay, what happened? These most Ahams accepted Hinduism, but the Aham kings did not completely give up their traditional beliefs after adopting Hinduism. पर Hinduism विश्वास करने के बाद भी अपना ट्रेडिशन ये लोग फॉलो किया. ओके, हम सोसाइटी वॉज वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड, सो poets and scholars were given land grants, theatre was encouraged, important works of Sanskrit were translated into the local language, historical works known as Buranchis were also written, first in the Aham language and then in Assamese. Okay, so ये लोग देखो, they were interested in literature and art as well, especially literature. They used to write a lot of books, and the kings used to give grants or gifts to the writers, poets and other writers, poetical books, historical works, और ये सब ये लोग लिखा करते थे. और ट्रांसलेशन भी, बहुत से बुक ट्रांसलेशन भी किया है, और आहम और असमीज लैंग्वेज में ये लोग लिखते थे. ओके, और उनका जो हिस्टोरिकल बुक्स को, वर्क्स को बुरांजीस नाम से जाना जाता था. ओके, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट आहम.